Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discussing with you how to check recent activity on Android phone. But first, check a special offer in the description. So let's get started. Now, if you want to check your recent activity here inside the Android device that you're using right now, well, there are a few things that you need to understand. Now, in order for you to check your history or what you've been doing with your phone, well, in this case, you'll be using what we call Google services. Now, the thing with Android devices is they don't have a specific device or specific setting here that tracks all of your movement. But we also have Google services here that basically tracks some but not all of your movements or your recent activities in your Android device. So how do you access this? So the first thing that you want to guarantee is you've actually added a Google account into your Android device and you've been using your phone while that specific Google account has been added in that account. But if you're already done that, you're pretty much good to go. So in this case, you want to go open up your settings here. And in here, you want to scroll down a bit. You want to go look for Google services or Google, depends on your phone. And in here, you want to go and click on your Google account. Let's go and click on our name. And you want to go and choose the manage your Google account. Now in here, you should see a bunch of details, but what you're looking for is going to be data and privacy. Now inside data and privacy, you should be able to see a number of things. So what you need to do is you want to go and choose the My Activity option here. And this will give you the option to view certain information about your Google account that you've did or that you actually did with this Android device. So that includes your search service history, your timeline, so where you went, and also your play history, YouTube history, and web and app activity. So in this case, if you choose, like for example, choose web and app activity here, you'll be able to see a number of details of what you did. So if you scroll down a bit, you'll be able to see those details. So if you want to see like details specifically for, let's just say, Chrome or your Android device, you go ahead and click on it, or you could go and click on view all if you want to see everything here. Now, we also have the option to delete those certain history. So if you want, you can go and click on delete activity older than 18 months, or you can go and click on manage all web and app activity to manage every information on your account. But that's about it. So if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.